Hey everybody, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing another product spotlight. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new 430 stainless steel tube-mounted quarter fenders from Hogebilt. So these ones are available in 34 or 30 inches. Right here I have the 30-inch version. They come with the tube bracket, the U-bolts, as well as the braces. So with these, you would get a pair of fenders, you get a pair of the Hogebilt top flaps, as well as the top flap plates, and then all the necessary hardware to mount these. So you're probably familiar with our triangle mounted Hogebilt fenders that we sell. So if you're looking for an alternative to that, it's just not your style, this would be a great option for you. They do sit at about the same price, slightly over $300, which is a steal for a set of quarter fenders, plus all the stuff that they come with. So yeah, if you're interested in these fenders or anything else that we sell, go ahead and check out our website at biggerchromeshop.com, and don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.